Fucking rolling in peace still. There is a spot like this. This is very spot. Boom, this is very strong.
Right, yo boys, today is day 5 of passing a prop firm using the MambaFX breakout strategy. Yes, I'm on the fucking shit house. And yes, it's been a few days. But in this video, you're going to get Wednesday's trade. You're not going to get Thursday because I was out and I had no single. Oh, fucking Thursday. You boys know yesterday, bang, then I was just like, looking at the charts like, bro, the fucking Wi-Fi right now costing me. Today's trade as well. But yo, it's a little bit different to the other videos. Let me just pull my fucking kegs up. Right, and so, yeah, I'm not wiping my ass, I'm a dirty bastard too. But yeah, boys, fucking, a little bit different today. You've missed me, yeah, I get it. But next week, on my Discord, I'm going to be going on fucking live, like literally 15-20 minutes before market open, just marking out my levels, telling you guys what I'm thinking for the day, just, you know, chopping up with a few of you man in the chat. But yeah, boys, it's been a minute. Been a busy one, but yo, another day, another dollar. Hope you enjoyed the fucking video. If you aren't already, sub the fuck up. And I'm off to go wipe my ass. Peace.
Right.
Order filled.
So you boys are saying, see, now that isn't how I set a stop loss at all. What are you all on about? See, boys, a lot of you have been saying in the comments that it should be next to it. And in paper trading, it is. But for some reason, now I'm on here. Oh, there we go. I'm popping it through for you, man. Now you can see the prof coming in. Fucking rolling in peace still. Fucking rolling in the Wonga, bruv. Right, there's no fucking P&L, boys. Fuck it. Oh, there we go. Alright, now we put our stops to break even.
So after all that bullshit of me trying to work out how to work a fucking stop loss, I thought I put my stops to break even. I thought it was a stop loss. Carry on watching.
Ah, you see. There we go. We're sticking to the plan. You see this fucking discipline, boys? You seeing this? Are you seeing this discipline, boys? Right, what's this? Move. No overlaps. Right, we're up 2, 4, 5. Are we about to fucking reverse? Oh, brilliant. Of course we fucking are. Just looking to get a nice 1 or 2, and all it wants to do is fucking reverse on me like that. Are you stupid, bruv? Are you fucking dizzy, bruv? Are you fucking silly, bruv? Eventually it'll hit. Like the
Order
ones
filled.
Just been stopped out. Have we? Why are we still showing profit? Boys, am I in 14 positions right now? Whoops. That wasn't a stop loss. That was a fucking... Yeah, bro, that wasn't a stop loss. That's just put me in 14 fucking positions. I've just doubled my position, bro. But it seems to be going in our favour. Bro, you know what? Bro, I still don't know how to set a fucking stop loss. But we're up. This is double the fucking... Bro, I'm just going to balls it right now, boys. I'll be honest with you. We are double what our main position was meant to be. I'm in 14 micros right now, bro, and it's about to fucking reverse on my ass. Well, I've broken my rules by accident. Whoa, hold on. Fucking LG. Minus 400 bar it. Jesus fucking Christ. Just fucking give me a second, yeah? At least fucking give us a break and retest, you silly cunt. Are you fucking daft, bro? I'm now down fucking fees, bro. Oh, I've broken my rules. I've fully broken my fucking rules. You all saw, like, I thought that was a stop. Yo, boys, I'll fucking be honest with you right now. I'm watching this cunt on YouTube live. And what am I doing? I'll tell you what I'm doing.
Trick.
Yes, G.
Do you not see that every
guy sounds like fucking Rick and Morty, G?
Yeah, you know what else is?
Fucking shout out to my guy. Bro, who the fuck is this guy? He's fucking sick, bro.
Order
every
filled.
single one.
I've just exited. Yo, bro, fucking shout out my guy. Yo, uses the same fucking prop firm as me as well. The sick cunt. Yo, I am fucking god, boys. Just check what, bro. Oh my god, 2R on that fucking. Oh shit, shit. Yo, fuck. Oh. I just kicked the bottle because I'm fucking gassed from that trade. We just made like nearly a rack. Bottle's just blown up. Oh, come on. Yeah.
Order filled.
Fuck it, boys. I'm in. I'm in, boys. I don't want to miss the move. Yeah, come on. Lovely stuff. Please just make the market drop, because I'm trying to get my fucking peas up. I'm trying to get out the fucking ghetto. Just please. Right, target one. 1-1 being hit. Oh shit. Focus now. Focus. Like I say, boys, in my plan, I am paying strong attention to areas of support like this. This is area of support, boom, this is a very strong area of support. See how it reacts. It's broken through it. Lovely stuff. Okay. Keep going. We've got any more? Stops at break even now, by the way, boys. That is a strong sign of reversal. I've just fucked it. Nah. Be patient, boys. Sit back and stick to the fucking plan, rude boy. I did say it was a strong fucking support zone. This is the only issue. The only issue I have with my actual strategy, the only issue is when there's strong reversal zones in, you know, my areas of fucking... So I'm off, obviously in my plan I want to go for 1 or 2s, right? That's the plan. That is the plan, right? But the only issue with it is when there's areas of support and resistance like this where it can just bounce straight off of, it's fucking jarring. It's so annoying. When I first started YouTube, you'll know, a lot of you will know if you were watching me all that time. When I first started, and I did very well, by the way, I was doing trades, breakout trades, and going to the next support and resistance area. So I would have been out of this trade essentially now. And I did very, 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 very well with that. So jarring. So fucking jarring.
Order filled.
I'm out, boys. I'm fucking out. That, by the way, that's the first day where I've used proper risk and proper risk management this entire week and stuck to my plan. The most annoying shit now is when it ends up going in any direction. Like when you take a trade and it ends up fucking going in the direction you wanted. Fuck's sake. And it just hits it. Profit. There. But here's the thing, right? I stuck to my fucking plan and that's that, innit? You know what I mean? I stuck to the plan. Break even. I got broken out of a winning trade. Here's what it is. Happens to us fucking all. It's better than a losing day, innit? Be honest with you, boys, I've had a bit of a mare this week. Fucking hell. Yesterday, it's been a good week this week, bro. Such a good week for trading. But as you can see, my stops go to break even at 1-1, and what happened? I got stopped the fuck out. So annoying. These are the most frustrating trades to lose, especially when it starts falling like that. But this is where now my discipline has to come in, because I have to be like, I have to stay out of the charts. I can't revenge trade. I can't be like, oh, I've got to win it back. I've got to win it back. I've got to win it back. It fucking is what it is, isn't it, boys? Stopped out, break even. Done for the fucking week. I'm walking away. Boys, what I will say, I've not filmed it, and I wish I had, but this fucking week for London session, I've won every day. 1 or 2 this morning on France 40. All these are France 40, by the way. Alright, 1 or 2 this morning on that break. 1 or 2 yesterday on that break. 1 to 3 on, and then 1 to 3 on Tuesday. Obviously, it was a bank holiday this week, so I didn't trade Monday for France 40 in the UK. But yeah, London session, all green, 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s. Bruv, do you know what? Today is a win. Realistically, it is a win. I stuck to my rules, stuck to my plan, and that's it. It is what it fucking is. Whether I win, break even, or lose, I walk the fuck away.